Hey guys, Carlos from realteesfishing.com. Today, real quick video, basically little trick on how to remove all the calcium, the salt deposits, the lime buildup on your water jackets, on your thermostat housing, anything to do with the outboard engine that you need to soak it to remove all this stuff. We're gonna teach you how to do it in about 15 minutes versus a traditional way where you gotta wait overnight and whatnot. So little quick tip that I think is gonna help you guys out. Please like and subscribe the video, and hopefully it works for you guys. Here we have the housing. You can see quite a bit of corrosion on it. It's not looking too great. All right, so if we really look in there, man, that's not looking too hot. She has a lot of buildup. So we're gonna go ahead and use a stainless steel brush and start cleaning her out. All right, so one thing I like to use is from the Dollar Tree. It's $1. I put Lime Away into the housing and you will see it react immediately. It starts to eat away at all the calcium, all the rust, all the deposits. And we'll do the same over on this side. All right, check it out. After a 15-minute soak, they are looking a lot better. So we can go ahead and use a toothbrush. We can use a wire brush to go ahead and clean the rest of it out. Or you can put them as is. They're pretty good shape, but we're gonna keep cleaning them. And that Lime Away works wonders. So little tip there, and they're only cost $1 at the Dollar Tree. We're gonna go with the same treatment. We're gonna pour some into all the little crevices. And let it work its magic. Okay, we have hooked it up and we're gonna go ahead and flush it out again. So let's see how dirty this is when it first comes out. By putting some pressure, we fill in all the areas. Letting it clean itself out. And then we'll stop it and put in all the parts.